It's a winding road. Do you have like a piece of wood you could slip in there? Cover it up with a protective cup. Ah!
That'll never not be scary to me.
I don't know why. I've told you 1,000 times you can't possibly get hurt from that.
Had a friend give me this here Ford tractor. It was his uncle's. Sadly, his uncle passed away. He was going to restore it and just didn't have the time or space. Kind of took apart in an unknown state. We already freed the transmission up the night we got it home. The carb is all took apart. There's some of it now. Has a deck with it. Nothing more fun to work on than something someone else has already tickled. Big gaps there where it looks like pieces and parts should be. This here's the carburetor, or was. Not sure what's going on with this thing. Don't know what that thing is. Don't know what that is. Don't know what that is. That looks expensive. So, we've been blessed by the great Amazon. With a brand new, shiny, China's best interpretation of what that carburetor is supposed to look like. Let's get it on there and see if it'll run. Not really sure why this has to be here. Seems like a stupid place for whatever that is. Obviously it goes this way, right? What's that clanging?
Something over here.
You've been taking gas out right along?
I haven't taken any gas out of that. I'm taking over here.
Back in this. Okay, cool. Interesting.
Do your own restoration then. Wow, it's even got chrome.
Chrome won't get you home. Voila.
Look at that. We just had to figure out a way to turn it off.
Ready?
Yeah, let's see if the headlights work.
There's no way they work. Oh, it's a momentary switch. No way, dude.
That's crazy. Sometimes maybe good, sometimes maybe. Are you gonna drive it?
Huh?
Are you gonna try to drive it? Try it. What are you waiting for? Fire this thing up and take it for a spin around the neighborhood. Uh-oh.
Apparently that's gonna be on. Hold that.
Hopefully that thing wears out soon.
Maybe we should throttle it up a little bit. That's a problem. What is that awful sound?
It might wear out soon. Thanks, sweet. Wow.
Hand me that big hunk of screwdriver you're standing on, would you? Thanks, buddy. Oops. 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 That'll never not be scary to me.
I don't know why. I've told you 1,000 times you can't possibly get hurt from that.
It hurts in here.
You just beamed your own camera with that screwdriver. Cover it up with the protective cup.
Ah!
For safety.
I don't know why I listened to you. Wonderful.
And then can you strap down your own battery here?
Ow! What's wrong with you?
Could be nothing.
Oh, it's something.
Do you have like a piece of wood you could slip in there?
Yeah, I always carry a piece of wood on me.
Like an old wrench laying around?
You know?
Anytime I buy a lawnmower and I see brake pads holding the battery in, I think it inspires confidence.
One's all we're gonna need. It's bigger than that.
It's 5/8. No, you really need 2. This requires 2 brake pads.
No! What?
Where did that go?
My friend Luke would say that's going forever.
Cheeseburger, do not be angry.
Can you try? Looks awful when you do it. Oh good, now the bolt doesn't reach.
I'm gonna hold this down. You mend that. Dude, if I saw this, I would press charges.
You're
Look at
seeing it
that.
right now.
Look at that. I'm gonna have you arrested. All right.